One of my main goals in life as a hairdresser is to really be a positive person and make people feel happy and great about themselves. Hairdressing I've always wanted to do, yeah. I started when I was 12 years old. I was just helping a family friend out sweeping in her salon on school holidays, and then it turned into me working for her on Saturdays and Thursday nights. I first started at Chisholm because my boss also trained here, and she did it through Pippa Point as well. And I think that she's a fantastic hairdresser, obviously got really good training. So I definitely wanted to go down her pathway and have the same training as her. I'm 22 this year, and being first year apprentice, that is a little bit older. I went and worked full time in the industry for a long time actually. And then I just decided that I really wanted to get into my apprenticeship, and I'm really glad that I have, because now I know it's definitely what I want to do and I'm really passionate about it. Being a mature student in the industry has definitely helped me, because I've got a lot of maturity behind me and experience in the industry of all ranges of workplaces as well. Since starting at Chisholm, I think it really opens your eyes to the options that are available and all the opportunities that you do have. The teachers have been encouraging for competitions and awards coming up, so I feel, there's a lot of support around that to really grow and progress. If ever I'm struggling with anything, they're always there, and I think there's always quite a few teachers in the room and they're always available. It's all competency based as well. Everyone's kind of at their own thing, so you can chat to different students. Everyone's there for each other. After my apprenticeship, I definitely want to go into the design of hair, and definitely through bridal and fashion design as well. That's something that I'm really passionate about and absolutely love. I don't really consider that work for me, I just absolutely love it. It's one of the great things about being a hairdresser. You really do share in the big moments in life, and it's really exciting.